Yes, it is worth learning basic plumbing repairs as a homeowner. Start with shutoff valves and water pressure because control prevents damage and makes every repair safer. Find and test each fixture's local shutoff and the main house valve so you can stop leaks fast. Learn how to use thread seal tape correctly by wrapping clockwise around male threads 3 to 5 times, then snug the joint without over-tightening. For toilets, replace a flapper when the tank runs or hisses, and swap a fill valve if the tank fills slowly or noisily. Both take under 30 minutes with a bucket, towel, adjustable wrench, and pliers. For garbage disposals, reset the unit with the red button on the bottom. Use the hex key in the center port to free a jam by turning clockwise and counterclockwise, and never stick your hand inside. For water heaters, flush a gallon or 2 from the drain valve quarterly to reduce sediment, test the temperature and pressure relief valve annually, and set the thermostat to 120 degrees to balance safety, efficiency, and lifespan. 3 common pitfalls trip people up. First, over-tightening supply lines or plastic fittings cracks components and causes leaks later. Snug until resistance, then add a quarter turn and stop if the gasket compresses evenly. Second, skipping the shutoff or failing to relieve pressure turns a small fix into a soaked mess. Always close the valve, open the faucet to bleed pressure, and keep towels and a small bucket ready. Third, guessing at pipe types and thread standards creates mismatched parts and chronic drips. Take the old piece to the store, match like for like, and use thread seal tape only on threaded metal and plastic, not on compression or rubber gasket joints. If any repair involves gas lines, a pilot flame, scorching heat, or water near live electricity, pause and call a pro to avoid serious hazards. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier to find trusted local contractors when a job goes beyond your comfort zone or your calendar. We also help contractors connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where we share project tips, tool recommendations, and step-by-step advice so we can learn from each other and plan repairs with confidence.